It's about 7:30 in the morning, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and we're heading to shoot swans. The honking you hear behind me, it's not a Minneapolis traffic jam, but a couple hundred trumpeter swans on the Mississippi River. And it is cold. It's mid-January, 0 degrees. We're gonna try and protect our digits so they don't freeze. And why do they like it here? Well, because the water's not frozen. And because of that, I call them the nuclear swans, because of a nuclear power plant upstream that whose outflow keeps the river warm enough not to freeze. This is the Mississippi River. Quite a cacophony of sounds right now, but it's going to increase exponentially around 10:30 when to feed the swans. Well, I think we did okay on the swans today, despite the tree crew down the street here and the chainsaws going and the chipper. Swans certainly didn't care, but as you can see, it's right in the middle of a suburban area. But once again, swans don't care.